श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, आदाब। ये है ऑल इंडिया रेडियो का अमृतसर स्टेशन और आज फरमाइश आई है बॉर्डर पार से हमारे दोस्त शम्स आलम की, जिनकी बेगम साहिबा सामिया जहरा उनसे नाराज बैठे हैं। तो ये खूबसूरत सा मीठा सा तोहफा हमारी तरफ से आपके लिए।
कच्ची डोरियों 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 से मैनू तू बांध ले, पक्की यारियों 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 में होंदे ना फासले। ए नाराजगी कागजी सारी तेरी, मेरे सोहणिया सुन ले मेरी दिल दियां गल्लां, करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाले अख नू मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां है, करांगे रोज रोज बह के सच्चियां मुहब्बतां निभा के। सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैनू क्यों, एवें झूठी मूठी रुस के रुसा के दिल दियां गल्लां है, करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाले अख नू मिला के। तेनू लखा तो छुपा के रखा अखा ते सजा के, तू है मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के, मैं तेरे लिया यारा ना पावी कदे दूरियां है। तेनू लखा तो छुपा के रखा अखा ते सजा के, तू है मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के, मैं तेरे लिया यारा ना पावी कदे दूरियां। मैं जीना है तेरा मैं जीना है तेरा, तू जीना है मेरा, दस लेना की नखरा दिखा के दिल दियां गल्लां, करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाल अख नू मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां। रातां कालियां 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 ने मेरे दिल सांवले, मेरे हानियां 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 जे लगे तू ना गले। मेरा आसमां मौसमां दी ना सुने, कोई ख्वाब ना पूरा बने दिल दियां गल्लां, करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाले अख नू मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां है, करांगे रोज रोज बह के सच्चियां मुहब्बतां निभा के। पता है मैनू क्यों छुपा के देखे तू, मेरे नाम से नाम मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां, करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाले अख नू मिला के।
1, either you can go cheese like this or this, okay? Remember, it should be louder. I know we also have a videographer over here, a professional videographer who can just take in all the inputs. Okay? 3, 2, and 1. Actually, I was expecting for louder cheese, which were the. So one more time. 3. See, she's having a really good tone. Okay? 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay. So first, let me tell you, you would have played this game in your second standard and third standard for sure. Whoever's gonna win this game, that person is the smartest person of the day. And in case, okay, one last final trial round. Okay, up, down, down. If you do that, you are dish. Okay, one more information. There is nothing called competition in this party. If anyone is becoming out, give them a round of applause, which is nothing but encouragement. First thing. And second thing, special notice for all the gentlemen and the ladies over here. Don't tell me that Bhaiya was looking at, that Didi was looking at me. If you're not following my instruction, you're dish. Okay, fine. And anyone else wants to join this? Down. Dishum and dishum. I saw you, man. Round of applause. Come on, everyone. You needed this. Come on, come jam, please. And you need to go, man. Come on, round of applause for them, not you. See, I saw her and going this way, and she's telling no. So smart. No, you can't do anything. Okay, we'll start. Down. Dishum. You hand went this way, ma'am. I saw you. Round of applause for these 3 kids. Come on, everyone. Go. You have pani puri chats and everything. Go. We have 2 little ones over here now. One is there, one more. I know you're a little one. That is 2 little ones. Okay, fine. We'll start. Up, down. Dish. You, ma'am. I saw you. Round of applause. Come on, everyone. Trust me, the game is not started at all. Okay, we'll start. Fine. Down. Dish. Round of applause. Just everyone. Round of applause for this little one. Everyone. Down. Up. Down. Really fast. Down. Is anyone there? Dishum and Dishum. Who was it, sir? Sir, yeah, you did it. Round of applause for these 2 people. Come on, everyone. And now, come closer, sir. Is it fine? You can go that side. Up. No, we put the gender first. Up. Dishum. Round of applause for these 2 people. Come on, everyone. Come closer. 2 versus 4. Good. But at least make it 2 versus 2, bro. I have a lot of expectation on you, bro. Okay, fine. Yes. We'll start. Okay, down, up, down. Dish. You tell bye-bye, ma'am. Come on, round of applause for everyone. Okay, now it is 3 versus 2. Make sure, remember who's going to win this game. That person is the smartest person of the day. Okay? I'll be really fast. No more oofy things. Okay? Up, down, up, dishum. What do people are out? Okay, now it is 1 versus 2. Let me see who's gonna be the winner. I'm not sure about it. I can't predict stuffs, but still. Okay, as per audience request, please come in the middle, bro. Hey, no, just small kidding. Okay, fine. We'll see. Up, down, up, down, down. Round of applause for him. Everyone. Now we have 2 small kids over here. Whoever thinks this small kid will win this game, just raise your hands. No problem. Small kids. Fine. I know. But that's a really tough one, sir. Always they quarrel. I am genius. But it's gonna prove who's genius right now. Whoever thinks this small kid will win this game, just raise your hands. Voting. 1. Okay, good. 9, 3, 10 notes. Whoever thinks this small kid will win this game, ma'am, I'm going to disqualify you, ma'am. You can't vote for both the people. Only one person can vote for one person. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down, 8, 9, 10. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, what's the name? Tanmay is the smartest person of the day. Round of applause for everyone. Thank you. Please have a seat. You're the elder one or younger one? Elder one. Oh. So actually we should have won the elder one. Okay, fine. Come on everyone, make some noise! Everyone, make some noise! Everyone, use your applause for them.
मेरे इश्क के हर मकाम में हर सुबह में हर शाम में
Everyone, come on, use her. And you know what? Initially we did some formal kind of a pattern name. One. I think I'll be getting a really good energetic tone from Ujjwal. Actually, I'm gonna see that. Okay, fine. We'll see. 3, 2, and 1. You. I know both are different, but they're gonna lead their one single life, and they're the better. So huge round of applause for them. Everyone, come on, round of applause for them. Everyone. God, me first. How about all the married gentlemen? Please come over here. Kids, bring all your papas right here. Bring all your papas. Then please come. Not mama, man. Please join us. And I'll call everyone. And understand you people are all married. Come on, sir. Please. One small, please, sir. It's not a game, please. Yes, you please come, sir. You also join him. Fast. There's so many people waiting for you. Please. Come fast. Fast, sir. Some person told you're the most valuable person. He's lying. Okay, let us see. Is that right or wrong? Okay, kids. Yeah, he's eligible, and you can go. This is not for you. So he's having really good energy. First thing, it is not a game. So there is no winner or a loser in this. Okay? And I always respect the married gentlemen. The reason is you people sacrifice your life for two people. First thing is your better half. Second thing is your kid. Even now you go for your job, work, earn money, put it on your kids. So I always believe you're gonna express your love towards your better half, not in romantic way. The reason is I know most of the people are really not good at that. So you're gonna express in a strong mannerism which is doable by everyone. And if the better half is here, please take a video of this. You will never get this in your lifetime. First thing. And I am not in this game. Only you and your better half. Now I'll tell you what to do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tell us all the perfect word. you're gonna scream your wife name or nickname louder and longer. जोर से. चलो, that's it. Nothing, not more than that. And if the better off is not happy with the screaming, you can tell once more they will do it. Second time, no once more, they will be getting food today. From tomorrow, whatever you want, please do it in the home. No public. Okay? So I'll show you how to do it. I'm not married. That is the reason I'm constructing this game. First rule. And second thing, think I have a girlfriend called Chinnu. I'll show you how to do it. You should be better than me. The reason is you're an experienced person. I'm an unexperienced person. Okay? And I always believe girls are gorgeous, boys are strong. So no microphone involved in this. Okay, so one by one should come over here. You need to put your hands like this. My girlfriend name is Chinu. Okay, I'm going to show how to do it. I'm a demo piece for now. Chinu! Actually, my girlfriend is, I got broke up like 3 years ago, so no problem with that. And remember, this is what you're gonna do. If you're okay, if your wife is okay with that, fine. If she asks once more, you're gonna do it. And one more information, not information, strict condition and order. Please only call your wife name, no any other's wife name allowed over here. No ex-girlfriend name. So I felt he's like a good person to kickstart the show. The reason is he's really fit. And maybe I'm not sure whether because of the fit shirt and pant he's having it. Is madam here? To go louder and longer. Her name, I know you're really smart. Mistakenly do not tell your ex-girlfriend name. Then I'm not in this game. You people please do whatever you want in the world. Okay? Come on, sir. Wow, huge round of applause for him. Everyone, excellent kickstart, sir. Thank you. You can have a seat, sir. That's it. You can have a seat. Fine. Sir, thank you. Wow, huge round of applause for him. Everybody. You're gonna scream your papas and mamas. Bring a lot of energy. I know madam is in the first row, if I'm not wrong. And so that you don't tell, madam is just over here. Not that way. Come on. Okay, I got it. Okay. Sonika! Wow, huge round of applause for him, and everyone. And the next, you can see a smile in his face. You want to come and join Papa? No. I mean, I think he has a stage fear now. Hey, when Papa is here, wife here, man, ja. just kidding on it. Come on, sir. Is madam here? Where is madam? Okay, the madam over there. Yes, sir. Come on. Bring your extreme energy. She is really happy. Round of applause for her. For him, everyone. And the next person is... Yes, you're looking so smart. A clean shaved who can really get into IT company for now. And okay, once more, एक minute. Okay, once more चाहिए ना? Once more. Sir. Okay, round of applause for him. Everyone. Okay, come on. Person would be... Smriti! Wow, huge round of applause for him. Everyone. Fantastic. I will be getting double payment for today, for sure. Just kidding. And the next person is... I love blue colors actually, especially the royal blue ones. Mansi! Wow, huge round of applause for him. Thank you so much, sir. You can have a seat. And the next person, please come here, Sam. Just made you waited for long. Ma'am, what is Ma'am is making a video. I don't want to interrupt now. Please go ahead. See the madam. Go to the extreme. You want some water? Wow, huge round of applause for him. He really went a long way, even though the energy was not much, but he went really long way. It was not so easy. Round of applause for him. Everyone. And for the next participant, come on, everyone, give it up. Oh, he's telling me, bol gaya. So just kidding, sir. You're looking so smart. I know you're a lot of not in this time, in that time. Just remember your past. Okay, remember the madam in past. Bring the same amount of super energetic energy which you had at that time. and deliver it now. Ma'am should say, "Love you, baby." Just kidding like that. Okay, come on, try doing it. Okay, just kidding, just kidding. Wow, huge round of applause for him. Everyone. And as I told, there is no winner or a loser in this game. You want to give it? And for this, I had one person to tell once more. You want to tell once more if you don't like it. Okay? Oh, okay, one moment. You want the hard way or romantic way over here? How about propose over here? Because the reason is once you're married, they don't like to usually propose. But before marriage, you can propose them. So one small DJ, can you just play some song? So we can have one small proposal. Who's gonna propose? One huge round of applause for these people. Everyone, round of applause. Sir, you have a lot of energy impact. I don't want a fast motion. Slow motion. The 90s wala amount of noise for that. Okay, fine. 3, 2, and 1. I think they deserve a huge round of applause and huge noise. Come on, everyone, make some noise! And you know what? Nowadays,
Black
all the
bulb,
things
blue
come
bulb,
to
black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb.
Okay, round of applause for her. Everyone. She was really bad at it, but she went really good. So we'll ask someone else to try with it.
Blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black.
Okay, fine, you're done. Anyone else? But round of applause.
Blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb.
Why there is a pause in between? But round of applause for her. Everyone. And you told blue, black, blah, blah, blah. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, the next person is... Okay, fine. If you tell this, I'm done. I'm blue bulb, black bulb. Okay, the next person 10 to 15 times faster. Not Abba Jabba. It is only blue bulb and black bulb.
Blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb, black bulb, blue bulb.
तुम्हें आप मेरा नहीं कटा
Not abbreviation. UK means Europe, right? Not United Kingdom over here. It is like Tojo and Kiki over here. So when the cake cutting goes on, you can just get a round of applause. But that is not important. I have 3 sayings later. The answer would be only U and K. You can tell UK. If you want to visit Europe, do not go so France. Just spell it over here. You can see it.
आंटी खड़े होके काटना केक पीछे से दिख नहीं रहा है
And DJ ready? Yuki couple, are you ready? Okay, 3, start. 2, and 1. Everyone, round of applause. And after that, again. Come on, everyone. Not the other UK, it is this UK award. want everyone to scream UK. The reason is you would have come with 100 number of gifts. Gifts are no way important. Happy married to UK. I try one from everyone. Happy married life to UK. Have a great future too. Now I request everyone to raise their right hand. Left, right, faster. This is how I tell Baba in my show. This is MC Ganesh signing off. If you like my show, give a round of applause. If you want to come aside, you can give me slaps. Thank you so much. And one more information. Memories always come with photographs. Please take a family photo shoot first, then proceeding by dinner. I did have an ex.
तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। किया रे जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे, जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे। समझ के भी ना समझ मैं सकूं सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे। तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले मुझे, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया। दिल के नगर में शहर तू बसा ले पिया। फीकी रुतों को रंग लगे, छूने से तेरे हाँ तेरे फीकी रुतों को रंग लगे। तेरी दिशा में क्यों चलने से मेरे पैरों को पंख लगे। जुबानियाँ तेरी झूठी भी सच लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले मुझे, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया,
ਤੂੰ ਹੋ ਗਈ 1 2 2 ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਏ what to do ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਪਤੰਗਾਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਐਵੇਂ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਟੁਕ ਟੁਕ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਗਿਟ ਪਿਟ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੁਈਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਕੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਕੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ
ਲੱਟੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਹਨੀਮੂਨ ਕਰ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਆਪ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਕੀ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੈ ਦੱਸ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਮਨ ਮਨ ਦਾ ਗੁਰਦਾ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਏ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਏ ਛੋਟਾ ਪਲਕ ਮਾਹੀਆ
ਸਿਆਪਾ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਡੈਥ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ
ਲਾਊਡ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਤੇ ਮਾਂਡੋਨਾ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਉਹ ਲਾਈਕੇ ਵਰਜ਼ਨ
ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ
ਰਫੈਲ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਮਾ ਫਿਰਦੀ
ਗੁੱਟਰਦੀ
ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਸ਼ੇਡ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਫਿਰੰਗੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ 100 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ
अफसाने तू ना हो जिनमें हो थोड़ी उम्र है प्यार ज्यादा मेरा कैसे बता ये सारा तेरा होगा मैंने मुझे है तुझको सौंपना बाहों पे राहों पनाहों पे आहों पे बाहों पे साहों सलाहों पे मेरे इश्क पे हक हुआ तेरा ओ माही माही रे ओ माही 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 लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा ओ माही माही रे ओ माही 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 मेरी वफा पे हक हुआ तेरा लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा मेरे इश्क पे हक हुआ तेरा लो मैं कयामत तक हुआ तेरा माही माही रे ओ माही रे
क्योंकि I'm sorry.
जितने भी नचते ने सारे कोई नहीं हो तेरे जैसा लगदा गिर गए आसमां से तारे ना बिंदिया तू ऐसे चमका
जी कल्ले कल्ले रहना मैनू अच्छा लगदा जो भी तू कहे सारा मैनू झूठा लगदा ना मेरे जैसा मिले या कर भी इंटू कच
अंग्रेजी म्यूजिक में दे दे तू पंजाबी टच नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच ये नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच हो आजा सके आजा हो आजा कमर हिला जा हो सारे मूड जमा जा हो मौसम ताजा ताजा सारी दुनिया में जी हिट है पंजाबी सच नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच ये नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच पंजाबण नच
काले जी काला टिक्का नजर न तेनू लागे सोना सोना रंगे तेरा मर जावा गुड़ खा के
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई चनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक चनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर को फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना चनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो चनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो चनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो चनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर कोई फंसे बिना 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 ये बात न मैंने मानी क्यों इतनी खुश है दीवानी तू मुझको ऐसी कहानी समझा दे
ये बात है सबने चाही मिले जन्मों का हम राही यह हुआ है कुछ ऐसा ही समझे ना
अब मैं जाना कह रही हो क्या फसाना हो
प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो
हेलो हेलो डोंट माइंड मेरा ये कहना ये लो जरा मेरे टच में रहना
याद न मैंने जाने क्यों इतनी खुशखबरी आनी तू मुझको ऐसी कहानी समझा दे अपने जाने कह लगी हो क्या खजाना एक जान है दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है एक मैं हूँ एक ईमान है दोनों तुझ पे हाँ तुझ पे दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है एक दिल के हर मकाम में हर सुबह में